Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got an amazing tutorial for you on how to import a Slow DNS config on the HTTP Custom VPN app. If you're looking for more VPN updates and hidden tricks, make sure to visit our blog. And of course, don't forget to support us by clicking the like button and subscribing to our channel. Now let's get started. First things first, we need the required Slow DNS file. Open your browser and search for UDP and Slow DNS. Look through the search results for the official link and click on it. This will take you to the website's homepage. Once you're on the website, click the hamburger icon at the top left corner to expand the menu list. From there, click on Slow DNS Config. A small window will pop up. Select HTTP Custom Slow DNS. This action will take you to a page displaying the latest HTTP Custom DNS configurations. Find the latest one and click on it. You'll be directed to the download page where you'll just click the download button. In a few seconds, the file will be downloaded to your device. Now that we have the Slow DNS file, we need to make sure you have the latest version of the HTTP Custom VPN app. Head over to your device's Play Store and search for HTTP Custom. Once you find it in the search results, click on it, then hit the Install button. After the app is installed, open it up, and you'll be taken to the app's homepage. On the homepage of the app, look for the plus icon at the bottom and click on it. A small window will pop up. Select Open Config. This will open your device's download folder. Now, find the HTTP custom file that you downloaded earlier from the website and click on it. In just a few seconds, the file will be successfully imported into the app. Once the file is imported, all that's left to do is click the Start button. But within a few seconds, your VPN will connect, giving you a fast and secure web browsing experience. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.